What up, nomads? In this video, I'll share my tips on how to pick the right bag for your upcoming travels based on your trip length, your transportation, and your personal preferences. Let's go! Picking which bag to take on your next adventure is the first step in starting to pack. It helps you determine the amount of stuff you can bring and how you plan on schlepping your stuff during your trip. If you're into travel and packing content, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. To help you make an informed decision on which travel bag to choose, I put together a few questions and answers to guide your thought process. The first question is, how will I be traveling? If your trip involves a plane ride after which you'll be picked up by a taxi or rent a car, you won't have to carry your luggage at any point during your trip. In this case, it's your choice. Pick a carry-on size suitcase or check a bag. You'll have the luxury of being able to wheel your luggage at every point of your trip. Are you traveling by plane and then taking public transportation or walking? Choose wisely. If you don't mind rolling a bag behind you, a small suitcase can work. But the best would be a travel backpack that helps you navigate streets and crowded areas easily. Something that you can pick up and keep close to your person will help you move more easily about. Traveling by train or by bus? Train and bus travel usually allow the option to bring large pieces of luggage, but like planes, it usually costs extra. Consider how much walking your travel will involve while making the decision of suitcase versus backpack. Are you taking a road trip? In this case, usually anything goes, since you'll just be loading it up into the back of your car. I prefer soft bags so I can easily access things I need with the trunk open and don't have to unzip my whole suitcase to get to them. Now that we've tackled transportation type, the next question is, how long is my trip? If your trip is a weekend and you don't need a lot, a duffel bag or a backpack works. If you have special activities, are bringing specific gear for your activities, or require multiple outfits, then a small carry-on can work as long as it fits with your mode of transportation from question 1. What if your trip is 3 to 5 days? Again, if you don't need much, 3 to 5 days worth of items can still fit nicely into a duffel or large travel backpack. If you're traveling by plane or car, a suitcase won't hinder you at all either, so that's an option you might consider. For 6 to 12 days, generally for these trips, my preference is a large carry-on. With smart packing tips like packing cubes and a travel capsule wardrobe, for example, I can make this work without access to laundry. For 2+ weeks, while I can still make this work in a large carry-on suitcase, above 3 weeks, I usually cave and do check a bag because I need my tech gear, a blow dryer, and other things that take up space. The third set of questions is about your travel style. Ask yourself, do I need to be nimble and hands-free on this trip? If the answer is yes, I vote backpack or duffel all the way. If you want to be comfortable, a backpack will help you evenly distribute your weight for a more ergonomic fit, especially if you're traveling for a longer amount of time. A duffel bag has its perks too, but the best is a bag that can do both and be worn multiple ways. If the answer to that question is no, pick wheeled luggage. Why would you carry stuff on your back if you can avoid it? If I don't have a specific reason to carry my stuff, my preference is to be free of extra weight and wheel my stuff alongside me. Lastly, ask yourself, do I mind checking my bag? If the answer is yes, then backpacks, duffels, and small carry-ons, often called international carry-ons, are pretty much safe. If this is your preferred style of travel, make sure you subscribe to my channel for lots of lightweight packing trips to fit all your stuff in those smaller bags. If you don't mind checking a bag, your choice of luggage is totally up to you. Use the factors mentioned before to determine if a check bag works for your length of trip and transportation methods. There are plenty of reasons to check a bag and reasons why it's a huge bonus, like bringing extra liquids, gifts, and things that aren't necessarily carry-on friendly. I hope this video helps you make the so important decision of which type of luggage to take on your next trip. The next challenge is making everything fit, but you can head to capsulesuitcase.com for tons of tips on packing for travel. Happy travels, everyone, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video until the end. For more content like this, make sure you subscribe to the Capsule Suitcase and turn on notifications so you get all the fresh content as soon as it comes out. Thanks for supporting this channel. Happy travels!